How do I pick a topic to speak on, to present on? Well, quite often in the business world, it's sort of thrust upon you. If you are the vice president of sales, you're going to have to give a presentation on sales results for the last quarter to the board of directors. So many aspects of life, it's just thrust upon us. But many times you do have a choice. If you're asked to speak to a civic organization or perhaps you're a student, my advice, pick something that you already have an interest in. Doesn't mean you can't dig deeper, do more research, interview people, find out more about it, but find a subject that you find interesting, that you also think the audience will find interesting, and then focus on just a handful of most important points, especially where there's some personal connection to it. You need some stories. It can't just be like a book report because everybody has Wikipedia on the internet. They don't need just pure facts. There's got to be some opinion, some perspective, some analysis, some insight delivered with the presentation. So pick something where you can add to the facts as they are. Do that, and it'll be a good presentation.